See, this is a Dachigam operation as per the Srinagar police. Meanwhile, the Indian Army has named this operation as Operation Mahadev. And we are confirming that the 3 terrorists have been neutralized in the Dachigam belt. And I'll take you to the visuals, see the kind of the forces, the cavalcade of forces that are being rushing to the Dachigam spot. So this is Srinagar police, the Srinagar's SOG that are part of this very operation Dachigam, the Operation Mahadev, which is taking place here where from I am reporting, because I'll ask my VJ for those to show you the entire ridge. This is the Dachigam ridge that takes you to Avantipora, and from Avantipora Tral like Vastunwa forest belt, and then again to Anantnag. If you remember, since there are a lot of dots that we can connect, in December itself there was an operation in the same Dachigam belt where an LET commander Junaid Bhatt was neutralized, who was involved in the Gagangir attack. And then there also with the Junaid there were 3 more terrorists that were in this very belt, though multiple CASOs were launched in all these months to trace them. But finally today the Srinagar police got a luck, and there was a firefight between the Srinagar police as well as the terrorists. Although the army is part of the operation, because 50 RR that is stationed in the Pampur itself is a part of operation, and then also the CRPF is there. So this is a joint operation, we can say, where the 3 terrorists have been neutralized. What we are picking from the sources, we're waiting for the official confirmation that a Pakistani terrorist, the foreign terrorist Suleiman, who else Asif, has also been neutralized, who was part of the attack in Pahalgam. But this is very big news, for which we will wait for the confirmation coming from the army or from the Srinagar police. But we are holding here what we are picking from the sources, that the Suleiman, who is also known as Asif, he's a Pak national. He has been neutralized with 2 more terrorists. Who these terrorists are, the identity is yet to come from the Srinagar police. This is district Srinagar, part of Srinagar police. The SOG has been rushing. We have been seeing the force movement. The Jammu Kashmir police is moving to the encounter spot with the reinforcement that has come to the spot. But this is a thick jungle, the forest area, the tough terrains, because of which the terrorists had been able to manage to be in the forest belt for such a long time. And this is something very big. और साथ साथ मैं ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ, जहाँ आज पार्लियामेंट में डिबेट हो रही है ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लेकर, पहलगाम अटैक को लेकर, वहीं श्रीनगर पुलिस ने एक बार फिर से यहाँ ऑपरेशन किया, जिसमें 3 टेररिस्ट को न्यूट्रलाइज किया गया। और साथ साथ जो ऑपरेशन महादेव का नाम दिया है इंडियन आर्मी ने, कि जो पहलगाम में अटैक हुआ था उसमें बताया जा रहा है कि जो टेररिस्ट थे, तो दाचीगाम जो इन्फिल्ट्रेशन रूट हुआ था, क्योंकि जहाँ पहाड़ियों की बात करेंगे तो ये सारी पहाड़ियां जो है कनेक्ट करती है, चाहे दाचीगाम का बेल्ट हो, दाचीगाम से आप अवंतीपोरा क्रॉस करते, अवंतीपोरा त्राल वगैरह का सारा बेल्ट से आप अनंतनाग, पहलगाम और साथ साथ कोकरनाग और किश्तवाड़ जैसे जो जम्मू का एरिया पड़ता है वहां तक पहुंच सकते हैं। ये पहाड़ी रास्ता है, और इस रास्ते में ऑपरेशन जो होता है काफी टफ है, खासकर समर्स में जहां फॉइलेज बहुत ज्यादा थिक रहता है। बहुत मुश्किल से जो है जंगल में चीजें देखने को मिलती है। लेकिन कंटिन्यूसली जो दिसंबर से जो सर्वेलेंस चल रहा था, क्योंकि एक टेररिस्ट जो जुनैद भट्ट एलिकटी का कमांडर था, उसको श्रीनगर पुलिस ने ही उस दिन यहां मारा था। और उसके बाद जो उसके साथ बताया जा रहा था कि 2 से 3 टेररिस्ट है, और कई बार श्रीनगर पुलिस ने कैसो लॉन्च किया, कई बार जो था कांटेक्ट भी एस्टैब्लिश हुआ। लेकिन उसके बाद जो है टेररिस्ट टेकिंग एन एडवांटेज ऑफ द थिक फॉलेज, दे मैनेज टू एस्केप।